Before diving into GoodLeap Home, let's break down the 12 things you need to know before making it your go-to finance app. If you're considering it over other competitors, this breakdown will help you make a better choice by the end of the video. First, GoodLeap Home stands out with its streamlined focus on home financing options. Whether you're looking to buy, refinance, or access home equity, it's designed with homeowners in mind. What sets it apart from other apps is its simplicity. There's no overwhelming number of features like some of its competitors. Next, its interface is intuitive. It's easy to use, with all major functions clearly laid out. This is a big contrast to other finance apps that can sometimes feel cluttered or difficult to navigate. GoodLeap Home keeps it clean, so you can find what you're looking for quickly. The third thing to note is its loan comparison feature. While many finance apps allow you to check rates, GoodLeap Home makes it easier to compare loan options side by side. This helps you find the best deals available to you based on your financial profile. Next up, GoodLeap Home offers an easy pre-qualification process. In comparison to other apps that require extensive documentation or take days to get back to you, GoodLeap lets you see what you can qualify for almost instantly, saving you time and frustration. The fifth thing to know is its interest rate tracking feature. It allows you to monitor fluctuating rates, which helps you stay ahead of market changes. This gives it a leg up on apps that don't offer such timely insights into interest rate movements. When it comes to customer support, GoodLeap Home provides a solid experience. While other competitors may rely on generic help centers or automated responses, GoodLeap offers real-time chat with knowledgeable representatives who can assist with your specific situation. The seventh point, while some apps push users into in-app purchases or fees, GoodLeap Home is relatively transparent with its pricing. There are no hidden fees that could catch you off guard down the line. Next, GoodLeap Home also excels at integrating with other financial platforms. Whether you're syncing with your bank accounts, credit cards, or even other investment tools, it helps create a more holistic view of your financial health, unlike some apps that only focus on specific areas like budgeting or investing. The ninth feature to consider is its robust reporting system. GoodLeap Home lets you track your spending, savings, and loan progress with easy-to-read reports that give you a full picture of where your finances stand. The 10th point is that GoodLeap Home is very secure. For a finance app, it's essential to keep your data protected, and GoodLeap uses encryption and other security measures to ensure your sensitive information stays safe, something other apps don't always prioritize. Next, GoodLeap Home provides mobile-friendly tools. If you prefer managing your finances on the go, the app's mobile platform is as feature-rich as the desktop version. This versatility gives it an edge over competitors that either lack a mobile version or offer limited functionality. The 12th and final thing to consider is that GoodLeap Home is a great choice for those who want quick, efficient, and user-friendly solutions for their home financing needs. It's not the most robust in terms of features, but if you just need home financing help, it works well. Now overall, GoodLeap Home is a solid option for managing your home financing. If you're just looking for a tool to make home loan decisions easier, it's a great choice. However, if you're looking for a more all-around financial solution that includes budgeting, investing, and loan management, we recommend checking out our solution, which you can try for free. It gives you even more flexibility and power to manage your finances from one place.